Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome so your search results stay clean and family-friendly. Let's go through the step-by-step process for both desktop and mobile. On desktop, first, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to google.com. At the bottom right corner of the page, click Settings, then choose Search Settings. On the next page, look for a section labeled Content under it. You'll see Search Personalization and Safe Search. Now, click on Safe Search, then select Filter. This automatically saves your preference, so you don't need to press Save again. Once that's done, your Safe Search is active, and explicit results will be filtered out from your Google searches. On mobile. Now, on your phone, open Google Chrome and visit google.com. Tap on your Google account profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Safe Search and tap on it. Then choose the Filter option. That's it. Your Safe Search will update instantly and start filtering content while you browse. Safe Search helps you keep your browsing experience safe and suitable for all ages. And that's how you easily turn it on from both desktop and mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tech tutorials.